The start was very humble. Initially, my mother used to stitch about 100 filters during the day, and in the evening, our founder used to come back home and finish those filters, pack them. Next day morning, he used to load them on his bicycle, take them out to sell, and that was the beginning, which with all humility, we can never forget. Over the last 70 years, it's been integrity. Doing business the fair way has been one of our main core values. The other thing which we've always traditionally been looking at is being futuristic. So we've been focused on R&D, focused on developing new products, new processes has always been the priority area for us. And that's the reason why Elofix has always been the leader and shall remain the leader.
We scrutinize the world and procure the best possible equipment and the material for our products. Elofix never compromise on the quality.
Elofix has invested in the best of machines, the best of manpower, the best of equipment, and the best of materials. I must say that the team that we have today is so well motivated and trained, which is the best in the industry.
People always wonder how we chose the name Elofix. We tell them it is a 100% creation of our founder. He always kept it a closely guarded secret with him until the end. He never shared with us.
The last 70 years have been glorious. and the future looks very promising. With an increased focus on cost cutting, integrating development, manufacturing, and new product launches, we are sure to emerge as a more successful and a stronger brand to reckon with.
I congratulate Team Elofic for the hard work and dedication that has led us to greater heights and newer achievements. Thanks to our cutting-edge technology and our 70 years of experience, we have maintained a top spot for ourselves in the filtration industry. And thanks to our honesty, our purity, and our integrity, we have remained in the hearts of our loyal customers.
At Elofic, we feel proud to be a part of robust engineering team where our values are prime guidelines. Customers' delight is our utmost focus. The journey is exciting by constant sharpening our saw with the latest technologies and have complete freedom to work in an inclusive, encouraging and innovative atmosphere.
ਹੈਲੋ एवरीवन, मैं इस ਕੰਪਨੀ ਨਾਲ ਐਲੋਫਿਕ ਇੰਡਸਟਰੀਜ਼ ਲਿਮਟਿਡ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਪਿਛਲੇ ਕੋਈ 44-45 ਸਾਲ ਤੋਂ ਜੁੜਿਆ ਹੋਇਆ। ਇਹ ਉਸ ਵੇਲੇ ਦਾ ਜ਼ਿਕਰ ਹੈ ਜਦੋਂ ਵੱਡੇ ਸਾਨੀ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਸਰ ਮਹਿੰਦਰ ਸਿੰਘ ਜੀ ਸਾਨੀ ਆਪ ਮਾਰਕੀਟ ਵਿੱਚ ਵਿਚਰਦੇ ਸਨ ਅਤੇ ਲੋਕਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਫਿਲਟਰ ਦੀ ਇੰਪੋਰਟੈਂਸ ਬਾਰੇ, ਇਹਦੀ ਕੁਆਲਿਟੀ ਬਾਰੇ, ਇਹਦੀ ਬਰੀਕੀਆਂ ਬਾਰੇ ਜਾਣਕਾਰੀ ਦਿੰਦੇ ਸਨ। ਇਹ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੀ ਮਿਹਨਤ, ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੀ ਲਗਨ ਅਤੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੀ ਵਧੀਆ ਸੋਚ ਅਤੇ ਇਮਾਨਦਾਰੀ ਦਾ ਨਤੀਜਾ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਕੰਪਨੀ ਅੱਜ ਇਸ ਮੁਕਾਮ 'ਤੇ, ਇਸ ਉੱਚੇ ਮੁਕਾਮ 'ਤੇ ਪਹੁੰਚੀ ਹੋਈ। ਅਤੇ ਇਹ ਕਹਿਣ ਵਿੱਚ ਕੋਈ ਅਤਕਥਨੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੋਵੇਗੀ ਜੇ ਇਹ ਕਿਹਾ ਜਾਵੇ ਕਿ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਸਪੁੱਤਰ ਸਰਦਾਰ MP ਸਾਨੀ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਜੀ ਅਤੇ ਸਰਦਾਰ KT ਸਾਨੀ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਜੀ, ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਵੀ ਆਪਣੀ ਦੂਰਦ੍ਰਿਸ਼ਟੀ ਨਾਲ, ਮਿਹਨਤ ਨਾਲ, ਲਗਨ ਨਾਲ ਇਸ ਪ੍ਰੋਡਕਟ ਦੀ ਰੇਂਜ ਵਿੱਚ ਅਥਾਹ ਵਾਧਾ ਕਰਕੇ ਅਤੇ ਇੱਕ ਬਹੁਤ ਵਧੀਆ ਡੀਲਰ ਨੈਟਵਰਕ ਸੈਟਅਪ ਕਰਕੇ ਇਸ ਨੂੰ ਹੋਰ ਬੁਲੰਦੀਆਂ 'ਤੇ ਲੈ ਗਏ।
Congratulations to Elofic Industries Limited Delhi। आज का दिन सुनहरा दिन है एलोफिक के लिए, क्योंकि लेट श्री MS साहनी साहब ने आज के दिन एलोफिक की स्थापना की थी और उनका जो विज़न था वो दोनों बेटों ने आज भी सही तरह से निभा रहे हैं। When the Elofic decided to enter Mumbai Opera House market, first commercial invoice was drawn in Model Auto Syndicate in early 50. This association is still keeping us busy even during the challenge of present pandemic. We, Patel Brother, wish you every success and great future to the team of Elofic on these auspicious occasions. From Model Auto Syndicate, Nitin Patel, thank you.
Namaskar and Sat Sri Akal. My heartiest congratulations to all the stakeholders of Elofic. The organization having now successfully completed 70 years. This is indeed a milestone achievement in the journey of any organization. We are indeed very proud of the fact that Elofic is one of our leading members and also an eminent supplier to most leading OEMs for filters of various kinds, as also for lubricants. They are also established a benchmark for themselves by being an exporter. Almost 38% of their production is exported, with Europe and US being their leading markets. Elofic in these 70 years have had several feathers in their cap, including the coveted ACMA Award for Manufacturing Excellence, also the ACMA Award on New Product Design and Development. I would like to wish the entire team at Elofic many more years of success. ACMA will always be there to help and support you.
Hello everyone, I am Sunil Lokhande from Hitachi Astemo FI Private Limited, Pune. Elofic Industries is our supplier since last 2 years and we are extremely satisfied with the QCDDM performance of Elofic Industries.
Hello Elofic. My name is Jürgen Binzer and I'm the CEO of Benova Microfiltration in Germany. My family worked with Elofic for 50 years in a very trustful fashion. We are prepared to go with you into a bright and successful future for many more years. All the best to you.
Generac is proud to congratulate Elofic on your 70-year anniversary in business. Elofic has been a key supplier to Generac for many years. Your filtration is used in protecting our engines in our industrial, our mobile, and our consumer product lines.
안녕하세요. 영우 CF 대표이사 한상우입니다. 에로픽사의 창립 70주년은 진심으로 축하합니다. 샤니 회장님을 비롯한 에로픽사의 모든 임직원에게 축하 인사를 보냅니다. 앞으로 더욱 발전하는 에로픽사가 되기를 바랍니다. 감사합니다. 기아와 기사의 70주년 창립 기념을 진심으로 축하드립니다. 귀사는 기아의 영도력으로 창립 이래 큰 성공과 빛나는 성취를 이루어냈습니다. 저는 에로픽사가 향후 수년 내에 더 큰 성공을 이루어내고 아시아 대륙에서 가장 크고 기술적으로 가장 우수한 회사로 우뚝 설 것이로 굳게 믿습니다. 기아와 기사의 건승하심을 기원드립니다. 2021년 4월 21일 영동산업 전무이사 윤동수 드림.
Hello, Mr. Sani. I would like to give my deep celebration of your company's 70th birthday. Your company achieved big success and progressment after establishment. We honored we are one member among many suppliers of your company. I strongly hope your company will grow up one of the most advanced and biggest automotive filter companies in Asia in near future.
엘로픽 그룹 임직원 여러분, 귀그룹의 창립 70주년을 진심으로 축하드립니다. 저희 우진 플라임은 귀그룹의 오랜 비즈니스 파트너로서 귀그룹의 사업이 지속적으로 번성하고 글로벌 필터 시장에서 최강자로 부상하고 있음을 매우 기쁘게 생각합니다.
Hello everybody. Congratulations on your 70th anniversary. Ujin Prime is always proud of being your business partner for last 15 years. We always appreciate your credible and punctual activities.
Switch on! I'm delighted to congratulate Elofic on the wonderful occasion of the 70th birthday. You have done extremely well in the past in helping your customers, your stakeholders to purify. And I'm very confident that you'll do better and better. The anchoring thought by which you are guided is traditionally futuristic. God bless you. As they say in Japan, Gambatte kudasai, which means do your best.
Elofic truly functions as per the values and convictions of its founder chairman, who firmly believed in what Guru Gobind Singh Ji said, इन्हीं की कृपा के सजे हम हैं, नहीं मोह से गरीब करोड़पति. Accordingly, during the pandemic, it showed exemplary empathy in not only supporting its team with full wages, but also granted an ex gratia payment for the extra hardship faced by them.
Having reached this level, we also do realize our responsibility towards the society. As CSR, women empowerment is high on the agenda, and that is why we employ more than 70% of women as a workforce. Besides, we also provide vocational training to women to be self-sufficient. We also run dispensaries in villages to provide free healthcare for those in need.
Myself S.K. Parikh, मैं कंपनी से 1982 से जुड़ा हुआ हूँ। मेरी यात्रा एलोफिक में एक शानदार रही है। वैसे तो मेरी यात्रा यहीं से शुरू हुई है और यहीं ख़त्म हो गई है। मैंने सिर्फ 39 साल कंपनी में काम किए हैं। लास्ट ईयर सितंबर 2020 में मैं रिटायर हुआ हूँ। कंपनी में काम करने का एटमॉस्फेयर बहुत ही हेल्दी है, स्कोप ऑफ लर्निंग है, एक ट्रेनिंग इंस्टीट्यूट है, मैनेजमेंट पेरेंटल और प्रोफेशनल है।
The past 70 years has not been a journey. It's been an evolution from a cottage level industry to a globally renowned player that we are today, supporting several thousand families. And this has been possible only through hard work, perseverance, ethical business, and innovative thinking. This evolution shall continue.
एलोफिक फिल्टर है जहाँ डीजल तेल और हवा है साफ वहाँ इंजन का जीवन बढ़ाए एलोफिक तेल और डीजल बचाए एलोफिक हर इंजन का अलग है फिल्टर एलोफिक फिल्टर